how to level floor with cement and sand for perfect tile installation, step by step. Welcome to this ultimate in-depth tutorial on how to level your floor perfectly using a cement and sand mixture, setting the ideal foundation for flawless tile installation. Whether you're a professional tiler, a seasoned contractor, or a dedicated DIY enthusiast, mastering the skill of floor leveling is essential for achieving long-lasting, beautiful tile finishes. This comprehensive guide covers everything from the initial assessment of your floor to the final touches before tile laying. You'll learn the science behind floor leveling, understand the choice of materials, discover the right tools and equipment, and follow a step-by-step process with practical tips, warnings, and solutions to common challenges. 1. The importance of floor leveling for tile installation. Floor leveling is a foundational step in any tile installation project. Tiles are rigid and inflexible. Installing them on an uneven surface can lead to cracks, lifting, uneven grout lines, and premature failure. Moreover, an unlevel floor makes tile installation difficult and time-consuming. The grout lines will not align properly, and the surface may look uneven or sloppy. A well-leveled floor ensures that the tiles sit flat and adhere properly to the substrate. This prevents movement, enhances durability, and improves aesthetics. The leveling process also helps to correct minor imperfections, dips, and slopes, creating a smooth canvas for your tile work. 2. Assessing the existing floor condition. Before you begin, assess the current floor condition carefully. Check for slopes or dips. Use a long straight edge or a laser level to scan across the floor surface. Identify low spots, dips, where mortar needs to be added, and high spots that may need grinding down or filling. Look for cracks and damages. Surface cracks, holes, or damaged areas can compromise the strength of the new leveling layer. Measure unevenness. A common tolerance for tile installation is a maximum of 3 mm deviation over a 2-meter span. Anything beyond this requires leveling. Identify moisture issues. Excess moisture or water seepage can affect mortar bonding and lead to failures. Later, moisture tests may be needed. Document your observations and mark problem areas clearly. This planning will help determine how much material you need and which techniques to use. 3. Choosing the right materials. Cement. Use high-quality Portland cement designed for flooring or general construction. It should be fresh and free of lumps or contamination. Sand sharp, clean washed sand is crucial for a strong, workable mix. Avoid fine sand or sand contaminated with clay or organic material, which weakens the mortar. Water, use clean, potable water. The water-to-cement ratio significantly affects the strength and drying time of the mix. Optional additives. Depending on conditions, you may use plasticizers or bonding agents to improve the mortar's flexibility, adhesion, and workability. 4. Tools and equipment. You'll need mixing tools, wheelbarrow, cement mixer or mixing tub, hoe or mixing paddle, measuring buckets or scales for precise ratios, screed board, a long straight plank or metal bar for leveling the mortar, spirit level or laser level for checking flatness, trowels and floats for spreading and smoothing. Protective gear, gloves, goggles, dust mask, brushes and primers for surface preparation, buckets and sponges for cleaning. 5. Preparing the floor surface. Proper surface preparation is key to bonding and durability. Clean the floor. Remove all dust, grease, oil, paint, and loose debris using brushes, vacuum, or pressure washing. Repair cracks and holes. Patch with a suitable repair mortar and allow curing. Prime the surface. If the floor is smooth, polished, or non-porous, apply a bonding primer to improve adhesion. Protect areas, tape or cover edges. corners, and any adjacent surfaces to avoid mortar splashes. 6. Mixing the cement sand mortar. Ratio and consistency. A typical mix ratio is 1 part cement to 3 or 4 parts sand by volume. Adjust ratios based on application thickness and desired strength. Mixing steps. 1. Place sand in the mixer or mixing tub. Add cement gradually and mix thoroughly to distribute evenly. Add water slowly while mixing until achieving a stiff, workable consistency, similar to thick peanut butter. Avoid excessive water, which weakens the mix and increases shrinkage risks. Small batch mixing. Mix small batches to maintain control and prevent premature drying, especially in hot or dry weather. 7. Applying the leveling mortar. Step-by-step procedure. Mark reference points. Use a laser or spirit level to mark the desired finished floor height on walls or guides. Install screed rails. Optional. 4. Very uneven floors. Fix screed rails to maintain consistent thickness. Pour the mortar. Start in a corner farthest from the exit, spreading the mix in small, workable sections. Screeding. Use the screed board to level the mortar. Place it on the rails or the floor and pull it in a straight, smooth motion to remove excess and fill dips. Floating and finishing. After screeding, smooth the surface with a float or trowel, compacting the mortar and removing ridges or air pockets. Check the level. Frequently use your level tool to ensure flatness and adjust as needed. 8. Handling difficult areas. Corners, edges, and areas near doorways require special attention. Use a smaller trowel for detailed finishing. Feather edges to avoid sharp transitions that could crack. Reinforce with mesh or bonding agents if necessary. Address drainage slopes carefully if needed for wet areas. 9. Drying, curing, and aftercare. Drying time. Typically 24 to 72 hours depending on thickness, temperature, and humidity. Keep it moist. In hot climates, lightly mist the surface occasionally to prevent cracking due to rapid drying. Avoid traffic. Don't walk or place heavy objects on the floor until fully cured. Inspect. After curing, check for shrinkage, cracks, or imperfections. Repair if needed. 10. Final preparation before tiling. Smooth out minor bumps. Sand or grind gently if necessary. Clean thoroughly. Remove all dust and loose particles to ensure tile adhesion. Apply bonding slurry. Optional. For extra adhesion, apply a thin layer of cement slurry before tiling. 11. Troubleshooting and tips. Avoid overwatering to prevent weak mortar. Mix only what you can use in 30 minutes. Use additives for better adhesion in tricky conditions. Always wear safety gear to avoid irritation from cement dust. Practice good mixing and application techniques for uniform results. Conclusion. Floor leveling is a skill that requires patience, precision, and attention to detail. By following this step-by-step process, you ensure a durable, flat foundation that will make your tile installation easier and more professional. Whether you're working on a small bathroom floor or a large living area, this method delivers consistent, high-quality results. Subscribe to Ighoud Ceramic Tiles for more professional tutorials and tips to master every step of ceramic tile installation. Part 6. Aftercare, common mistakes and elevating your craftsmanship. In this 6th and final enhancement of our guide, we move into the after the last tile phase, where many assume the job is done. But true professionals know this is where excellence is confirmed. We'll explore post-installation finishing, inspection routines, client-ready presentation, and long-term maintenance recommendations that not only preserve your work, but also impress clients and build your reputation. Final surface cleaning. More than just wiping. Once the skirting tiles are installed and the grout is cured, a deep clean is essential. This stage isn't just cosmetic. Grout haze, the light, cloudy film left after grouting, can ruin the finish if left untreated. In this segment, we demonstrate how to use microfiber cloths and specialized grout haze removers safely on ceramic surfaces. When to apply diluted vinegar solutions or pH-neutral cleaners. The importance of protecting adjacent painted or wooden surfaces during final